Are you ready to seize the real profit opportunities from the internet in 2025? The digital landscape is changing fast, and those who adapt will thrive. First up, let's talk about smart e-commerce. It's no longer enough to just run a traditional online store. You should aim to sell across multiple platforms and carve out a specific niche for yourself. Think about what makes you unique and how you can stand out in the crowd. Embrace it. Next, we have renewable content, which is more vital than ever. Short videos, engaging podcasts, and blog posts that actually help solve your audience's problems will be the fuel driving your success. Artificial intelligence is your new best friend. Use AI tools to automate mundane tasks, analyze data, and enhance your marketing strategies. This will free up your time for what really matters. Lastly, remember that building a real community around your brand is essential. Engaging and fostering loyalty with your audience will lay the foundation for a sustainable digital venture. So, start learning and applying these strategies today. The digital future awaits you, and it's time to go for it.